Worried about shaving because you're scared your hair will grow back thicker, darker, and faster? Here are 10 shaving myths you need to stop believing in. Shaving causes hair to grow back thicker, faster, and darker. It's actually not shaving, it's genetics and hormones that impact body hair, color, thickness, and growth. A razor blade just cuts away hair at the skin's surface, cutting off its tapered end, which can make them appear thicker and darker as they grow back. It's totally safe to share a razor. Razors have a lot of bacteria that can cause skin infections. Sharing them is a big no. It's also recommended to use different kinds of razors for your face and body, since each has different types of bacteria and also needs different types of blades to safely remove the hair. The direction you shave in doesn't matter. Shaving in the same direction as growth gives you the least chance of ingrown hair. However, the hair isn't cut as close to the skin. So if you prefer a closer shave, first shave in the same direction as growth and then follow up in the opposite direction. Soap and shaving cream work the same. Shaving cream reduces irritation and allows for a cleaner shave, according to dermatologists. But if you're out of shaving cream, you can always opt for conditioner, aloe vera, or baby oil instead of soap. If you're shaving your face, you can also use a creamy moisturizer to help the blade glide smoothly. Using a new sharp razor blade causes more nicks and cuts. A dull razor blade can actually cause more nicks, cuts, and skin redness as it pulls on your body hair and feels rough when moving across your skin, which can result in more irritation post-shave. It's okay to shave on dry skin. Dry shaving can cause razor burn, ingrown hair, and skin irritation. Soaking the area you plan to shave for 3 to 5 minutes softens hair follicles, and using some kind of shaving gel or cream helps with a smooth shave. Shaving leaves skin dry and flaky. A sharp razor blade can actually exfoliate away dry and flaky skin cells while removing hair. What causes dryness is spending too long with wet skin or shaving without the right lubrication or even using a dull blade. So follow up with a soothing post-hair removal lotion like Fuzz Off anywhere on your face or body to hydrate your skin and prevent redness, bumps, and ingrowths. Shaving makes skin darker. Shaving itself cannot darken your skin, but wrong techniques like dry shaving and skipping aftercare can cause ingrown hair, which eventually leads to pigmentation. So follow the right steps and you'll be totally fine. Shaving doesn't require any prep. Although we wish it didn't, shaving requires some exfoliation beforehand to loosen up the hair and prevent ingrowths when it grows back. Luckily, you can make a simple DIY scrub with just coffee powder and honey. Scrub it all over and rinse for the smoothest shave ever. You can use one razor for many months. You should change your razor after 5 to 7 shaves on your body, especially if you leave it in a wet shower area. Help it last longer by applying a thin coat of Vaseline to a dry razor blade between uses. You can also get razors along with blade refills and change it frequently instead of going through disposable razors.
The Glamrs giveaway is on, and 3 lucky winners have a chance to win amazing beauty goodies curated by us at Glamrs. Here's all you need to do to participate in this giveaway. And here are last week's lucky winners. To find out if you've won, come back right here on YouTube next Monday.
We hope these tips will help you understand the process of shaving much better. Check out more of our favorite hair removal videos here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and make sure to check out our amazing Glamrs skincare products on glamrs.com or in our YouTube store. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.